Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about smart homes. Did you know that in the next year there will be about 30 to 40% of homes to be upgraded with smart technology? And why is that? Well, we are living in a world where technology is exponentially increasing and improving. With AI and other elements, it it makes it so much easier to have smart technology in our homes. And it can start as simple as having dimmers, or a lot of people have ring cameras. And also, in terms of lighting, creating a circadian rhythm system, putting the right bulbs where it changes color based on the natural daylight outside or how much light you're getting in from your windows. Helps you with energy efficiency because they will dim, change color along with the natural light, but also it makes you overall feel much better. Other elements that I think is super needed in spaces, if you can afford it, or at least a plan for it when you're doing a home renovation, is uh, adding timers for exterior lighting or even say your sprinklers, as well as smart technology that connects to your TVs, your sound system. A lot of people like staying at home, and most people, if they can afford it, do movie rooms or really nice family rooms. So there you want to install sound systems that are invisible. There are now actual speakers that you can put inside your ceilings, and they're taped to your with the gypsum board, and once painted white, you don't see them. You might see little dots if you really stare at the ceiling, but it's pretty invisible and it's beautiful to have. Other smart technologies can be as far as bathrooms. One thing people don't realize that it's a smart technology is creating a water filtration system or retention system. So there's a system that you can collect gray water, which is rainwater or like water that you use to wash your hands, and it gets cycled through a tank and reused for your toilets or to sprinkler water into your to your backyard, etc. That smart technology will save you money on water. It'll also help the environment overall, and it can be again connected back to a system that it can all be used through your phone or an iPad, etc. And if you do a full integration, there are iPads or screens that are installed into your home or your phone that pretty much gives you directions to everything. And you can preset moods or events, so then you know what you want to have overall in terms of sound, lighting, and other elements altogether. So if you really want to integrate smart technology into your home anytime soon, you can give me a call and we can discuss what's best fits you, and we can bring in my consultants to see cost estimates for that. And remember, one thing that I forgot to mention is that even those vacuums that you have in the wall to do all that technology that we thought we were going to have, we do have it. It's just all about planning and installing them properly. So I hope this was useful. And remember, if you're looking for a property, reach out to Dream Select Realty. They can help you find the right property for you. And don't be worried if it doesn't have all this technology. It's something you can implement yourself, and it will bring the value of your home up by quite a bit. So thank you and have a great day.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.